Hello everyone, today in another video we're talking about how to find a profitable niche on Redbubble. So let's get started. So in first we should be check if the website is in English language and United States region. My method is very simple, is to get from the big niche to the across niche or sub niche. So let's get started. Let's imagine that we want to buy a stickers. We go to stickers and we do all the categories of stickers to choose one of them. So the secret is here. Uh, in our video, we don't focus on the most relevant design. We need to find trending design that making sales at this moment without any high competition. So how we can do it? We go in here and we should to select the trending in the selection bar here, and we try to open 3 tabs or 4 for every niche in new tab, and we get this title here and we put it again in search bar of Redbubble. So like you see, my friends, in this case we have just in this uh, specific keyword sample face sign 79 design. So to prove that this niche is sold, just I enter and first or second design on this list and enter in shop. So the nice thing on Redbubble that show you the thing that sell very well on first or second design that show up on this shop. In this case, we can start making our design. For this image, you can just type it on Google or Pixabay or Canva website and make your own collection of cat face. So same thing on the other niche, super widget. Don't forget, my friend, to check copyright and trademark to don't lose your account. Like you see here, we have a small competition, and you can easily get started and design a niche and get your first sale very fast. Same thing here. So this is our video for today. Thank you for watching and your time. See you in the next video. If you want to know more information about a brand on the website, especially with Redbubble or any other website like Mesh by Amazon or KDP, just enter, put your question under in the description, in comment. I will make a video about this website, and thank you very much for your watching. Thank you.